Dyrandoms.
This is my guy, 24/7 and 365. Got this bitch turned to we all the way live. What you want, fly to Memphis? Walk a real cool. Watch one, might as well watch two. You think you don't need a butt, nigga? You do. Couple you better thank God for that black dude with the videos all on YouTube. Got this shit locking, we all the way live. You been waiting, man, like and subscribe. Hey, dot man, they can handle this. Hey, dot man, they ain't with our random shit.
Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back with another video, and today we are going to distress these jeans. We're going to go from basic as fuck to, not so basic. So if you want to see how I transform these jeans, then keep on watching. Alright, so for tools, the first thing you're going to need is a razor blade. You're going to need like a piece of cardboard. I took this cardboard off of a shoebox. And some utility gloves. I didn't use utility gloves in this video, but I do suggest you use utility gloves so that you don't cut yourself. So right here, as you can see, I'm just pulling the pockets up. That way I don't cut any holes into the pockets. So if you haven't noticed, this video is 100% experimental. I've never tried this technique on a pair of jeans before. So you'll definitely see my technique advance as the video continues, such as right now when I decided to use a piece of cardboard. And I got this cardboard from a shoebox. I'm just simply placing it inside of the jeans. This makes the process go by so much faster. Hence the reason why I decided to name it 30 minutes distressing, because literally you can distress it in under 30 minutes. And this is not factoring in washing and drying it, but just the distressing part, because this can be really, really time consuming otherwise. So as you can see here, I decided to only focus my distressing on the areas that's faded. In my head, I felt like that's what would look good. So after you've washed and dried the jeans, that's when you would get your results. And when I got my results, I wasn't exactly happy with them. So I decided to just go in and distress some more. So as you can see here, the distressing is only focused in the areas that is faded. And to me, that doesn't really look right. So I decided to go back in and add more slits all over the pair of jeans. Like even right now with the pair of jeans off, it does not look right. So yeah. So as you can see, I just sporadically added more slits all over the jeans. I didn't focus too much on it as I did on the front where the fading is. I just wanted it to have a better transition. So that's why I decided to just add slits all over the pants so that the whole pants would be distressed and not just the fading part in the front. So as you can see, this is the end result. I think this looks so much better than just the focusing on the faded part. This detail though, look at this detail. So if you like this, you can leave the pants just like this, as is, and be done with it. Or you can add some more distressing as I will do in part 2. So be on the lookout for that. I'm not sure when I'll have that up, but it will be up pretty soon. But just look at this detail though. So yeah, I'll be adding some more traditional distressing to this pair of jeans in part 2, so stick around for that. But as for right now, this is all I have for you guys. Make sure that you check out my other videos and make sure you know, like and all that stuff. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe and click on that bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!